Please ensure the aircraft and the remote controller are fully charged before updating. Connect the drone to your PC with a USB cable. Power on the Mavic 2. Run DJI Assistant 2. Log in to your DJI account. Click on the connected device. Wait until the firmware list is shown on the screen. Click Upgrade and update the aircraft following the instructions. Please do not power off the drone or touch the cable before the update is complete. Restart the Mavic 2 after updating. Connect the remote controller to your PC with a USB cable. Power on the remote controller. Click on the connected equipment. Click Upgrade in the firmware list. Please do not power off the remote controller or touch the cable before the update is complete. Restart the remote controller after updating. Currently, it's not possible to update the aircraft and the remote controller at the same time. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.